most of you people think I'm not 17 and you keep on criticizing that. So because you criticize it a lot, I decided to call my EP 17 because I'm 17.
But so 17 yafumbirwa.
Ndi mufumbo ndabako empeta.
Ate bali bakoledde emikolo olakuba omwami n'omukyawa.
Olaba bw'obisala. Sikolanga ku mukolo sifumbirwanga ku muntu yenna. Coincidence yaliwo and nenchivaamu nga tekinnabawo because it was not the right time for me okufumbirwa and I was young. So
still ne mu video eyanaluwalwawo wataddemu scene lwakuba featuring amne Jose Chameleone. Lwaki wagitaddemu specifically?
Scene ya
y'omukolo.
Because many people babadde bambuuza about eyo saga, bambuuza Pinky what happened, what really happened. So I decided to make the story short. Nenjiteeka mu video yange so that everyone analaba video eyo ajaba takyalina bibuuzo bingi mu mutwe because ajaba mazola ba summarize story of what really happened. Exactly, yes. Nsoma BIT, Bachelor's in Information Technology. Kusomero sigendayo buli lunaku because timetable yange somero siti buli lunaku eriko lectures. Nyinza obba ne lecture nga 3 mu week. And whereby ezimu embasigenzeyo kusomero I do it online. Maybe because it's an international university, so abana bali moving on fast. Of course in the first days it was not easy. Everyone, hi, hello, you're in class, you're having a lecture, they want a selfie, they want a Snapchat video. But of course nembewa in the first days nga kati ne batuuka ne bakimanyira nga tebakyamalako mirembe. They got used, so I go sit in the lecture as a normal student nensoma nenvayo ngai nalingiyo sherinangako I don't wanna let you go simanyi chakola